Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Bitcoin is pulling back right now. We were just pumping right now. My trade that I opened when I asked you guys yesterday, should I open a trade? 70% of you said yes. We opened it. It was profit of 4,000 at 92k, and now it just dropped. I'm going to check it out on this trade. You can see Bitcoin is trending up. There is a lot of volume coming in. These are volume bars. Now it just switched to 15-minute timeframes. You learn all of this in the crypto mastercourse, jamescryptoguru.com. And you can see volume is increasing, but look at that drop from 92 down to 90. Not sure what the news was. People are discussing, it seems to be about some war, or there's some discuss, like something happened. Finally decided to say something, I'm not sure. 3.19 trillion market cap, 565,000 viewers. Bitcoin price.live, you can set this up. Look at this 2k drop on Bitcoin. We're going to jump into it. My trade was massive in the profits, but that drop is pulling it back hard. We're going to check the account now. 60k bonus when you sign up with Bybit. You're going to see my trading account was 150k. Now it's 800k, probably less now after this drop. But if you've been seeing, I've been withdrawing quite a lot, and seed investing other companies. Extreme greed, not the time to go heavy. Time to go heavy was extreme fear. Now is the time to take profits. Buy when people are fearful, sell when people are greedy. 55% dominance, funding fee is still positive, 90,600. Big drop off right now. We're going to jump into the technicals for Bitcoin. I'm going to show you my trades. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into the technicals, and you can see the market just flip. XRP still up 6%, Uni 2%, World, but you can see they all just pulled back a little bit. See on this dump, Uniswap was at $9.40. My trades would have been pumping until a few moments ago. Look at this, Tesla up 8% in pre-market, everyone. 8% on Tesla in pre-market. Look at that, yeah. That's going to be, so now we're sitting at 345. If you were buying Tesla with me, everyone, we were buying Tesla at 141 on these videos. If you're watching my videos, look at that bull flag on the hourly. You can learn all this in the courses to understand what I'm doing. But you can see here, massive symmetrical triangle that's been building on Tesla since 2021. Builds pressure, and it's breaking out right now from the base of the triangle. The target is $600, and we were buying it at 141 in my videos, and I posted it on X, buying it exactly at the bottom there. And since that buy is now, we're at 340 in pre-market. 340, wait, what is it? 346. So since those buys, we are now up 143%, which is beautiful. Let's zoom in. On the daily, it's, why is this earnings and revenue? It broke out. Look at all these different breakouts. We've got inverse head and shoulders. We've got this big symmetrical triangle broke out. We've got this bigger symmetrical triangle out. We've got this small look how many different targets there are pumping out of here. These are all my breakout targets. Look at them, all these different ones. From the bigger one, so you've got these big symmetrical triangles that the one I showed you on the bigger time. When you zoom out, you've got this huge one. That's that yellow one. So that's that huge one that goes to 600. Then you've got this inverse head and shoulders one, as I teach you all in the crypto mastercourse, and that's breaking out. Oh, by the way, I gave away $4,000 on X the last few days, just as gifts to my community. So make sure you follow me. Here you can see more blessings. This person got $100. Sadwa, I want a bit over and reach 2,000 maximum, so I gave away $2,000 today and yesterday. Look how many messages I'm getting per minute. It's quite a lot of messages. Hard for me to respond to everyone. Thank you so much. As you were right, but then it's pulling back. This guy got $100. Congratulations, Crypto Mani. He set notifications on so he can get notified. One day I'll be among your winners. I want a bit over and reach the 2,000 maximum. Successfully claimed. Thanks, James. This person Grace got $200. I gave away $11,300 so far this year, which is beautiful in USDT, plus so many other things. 2,200 I gave away the last few days, which is beautiful. But now I've given away actually 4,000. So if you look at it, let's see. But okay, I'll check it out. Actually, let's see, maybe I can see. This is my account. So I gave away 4,000, but look, we're dropping. My trades were pumping still up. Bitcoin 700, but this trade a few minutes ago was at 92. We were at 3,500 in the profits. Now it's at 8,800 after that little drop off. You can see Bitcoin just dropped off. Big selling. Let's jump into the technicals. Funding fee is still positive, 0.05. Not bad. With Bitcoin trade, it's a 180k trade. Ethereum trade, it's 100 $100,000 trade, $100,000 trade, and this is a $200,000 trade on World. World also dropping off here. And this is my assets, what I'm holding as spot positions. So I've got those leverage trades open on futures. These are my futures trades that I've got open, which I'm sharing live. You're seeing all my trades live. And then I've got these spot holdings. And you can see, so Bitcoin, USDT 50%, MCRT 15%, World 11%, Uni 8%, TON 7%, Doge 7%. Let's go and look at Tesla. We're going to make so much. Big congratulations, everyone who bought Tesla. If you're buying with me at 141, that's incredible. It's like a stock. It's not a cryptocurrency. It's like forever. That was a generational buy. Huge cup and handle on Bitcoin. Huge bull flag. Cup and handle. The targets are 104. We pumped out quite strongly. We go into the daily, and you can see that we've got this bullish pennant, which is also breaking out. Bullish pennant. And then we zoom in, and you can see it broke out of this bullish pennant. Now it's retesting it, everyone, with volume. Now we need to see a strong bounce on this retest. Look at that. It broke out to 92. You can see it broke out of this pennant. Built pressure, broke out, retesting. And now we need to see a bounce, and it'll confirm. This is actually the... Oh, no, it's breaking through. 90,200. I wonder what the news is that's dropping it right now. But this can be an opportunity. Let's see if my trades trigger. I had one trade at 88,400, stop loss 87,400, and take profit 109. And I had another trade at 80,000, stop loss 79,500. Let's see if these trades trigger. But this is a breakout of a bullish pennant. So this is actually time to go long, in my opinion. Massive bullish pennant, but be careful going heavy long. Time to go heavy long was 16K. Now we trade patterns. Paul, and then this pennant. Builds pressure, breaks out, retests, bounces with volume. If the target of this pennant is correct, we're talking 109,000 for Bitcoin. I don't know, is it gonna... That means that we're about to have some massive run, if that is gonna happen. So I'm in trades, but you have to make your own decisions, everyone. Do your own due diligence. But if we get a bounce here with volume, it's looking very beautiful for the confirmation. Look, we're holding exactly on the trend line. You see it? I would take, if I was someone, a riskier trade we could take is from here. But I'm already in a trade. So this is, if someone was to, this is where I would take trades right now if I wasn't in a trade. And I would make tight stop loss. But I don't want tight stop loss in case Bitcoin liquidates out and just bounces. And then 109. So this is the trade that I would take with low margin. So then it wouldn't affect so much. Opening at 90,000. I would open it now, actually. Stop loss at... I'll put it underneath this support, 88,500. So risking 2,000 to make 109K is the target. 19,000. Risking 2,000 to make 19,000. With 10x leverage, be 190,000. But I wouldn't do 10x leverage on this. I would do 3. I would make sure my liquidation is... I would do 3x. It's too dangerous. Or I would do tight stop and then 10x leverage. Even here, yeah, I would do like that. But I'm already, these are the trades that I would take. The safest one where you could go heavy is here. Up here, you need to be defensive. When we were buying at 16K, that was the time to go heavy. And you can see I'm already in my trade. So you can see I've got a uni buy at $6. I've got Bitcoin trade open, $200 in the profits, 516 Ethereum trade, World trade. This one is like, we said it was $200,000, but that was 3K in the profits a few minutes ago. It's pulling back. I could add to the trade depending on how Bitcoin reacts here. If we get a bounce on this confirmation and then it heads up to 109. Look at that sell. Something big news came out. That was a huge sell. Let's check. Let's check on X if someone's saying something. Oh, Chris built 300 schools. Amazing. Good job, Chris. Man, let's do following. More blessings. I want to see if there's any news that came out. Golden pocket just below. Doesn't seem like anything. Talking. Could just be a healthy pullback. Let's jump into the Telegram. You can get the premium version on Telegram, and it converts everyone. Calm down already. Everyone left after the fight. Don't wave your fist. People discussing. They seem to be arguing about something. Dropping the 87. Understand crypto. NATO. They're talking about NATO. You can get it. See, it auto translates everyone. War. They're talking about what happened. So the market is spooked. There's 747 of you online. Everyone be kind to each other, talk to each other. Realize now with Translate, you can finally understand that you're all brothers and sisters and you've been tricked into harming each other and hating each other. Discuss, help each other grow, help each other invest, make money together. 747 on view. That's what I want with all of you. Make sure you're helping each other grow. Help each other grow, which is beautiful. And let's see some of your questions. Comments. Oh, I got crazy views on X. I want to show you what's happening on X. Look at this. 91,200 followers. And you can see analytics. In the last one week, 1.1 million followers, 5.3% engagement. Profile views 8,000. Look at this. In the last week, 1 million people saw, and in the last 4 weeks, 3.3 million people saw my posts. And cool. Very cool. Which is amazing. Let's go into, now I want to see Ethereum, because now I've got let's check out World. I also bought Dogecoin today. I'll show you that as well. I also bought Dogecoin. Oh shit, Bitcoin pulling back. Look at that. The trade now going negative. 3,500 in the profits. Should have took profits actually before that pullback. I bought Doge 50K. So it's down about 1.2K right now. Doge also pulling back. Some news came out that spooked the market. I wonder what it was. It was pumping and then it just could be high. Let's see how it reacts when the market opens. Tesla's about to pump, which is interesting. If I go into the technicals of Doge, I see, on World, a little bit rounding here. You see that? Not so beautiful on the technicals. It looks like it's a bit rounding. But that's on the hourly. Let's zoom out onto the daily. On the daily, big cup and handles. Inverse head and shoulders and cup and handle. Inverse head and shoulders, huge one. And then you can also see it's cup and handle. I'll show you. So cup and handle, I could say would even go like that. Ooh, well, that's a weird one with V-shaped recovery. So if we measure out that cup and handle, the target of, I already measured it out before, but say we measure it out again, the target of this cup and handle, $3.50. But we have to see how, I don't think World pulls back that much, but I would make sure my liquidation, I have to put it below $1.50 because that's where the major support is. $1.59. So if you're in a trade, but it looks like a little bit bull flaggy in my opinion. If you zoom out a bit, it looks bull flaggy, pole and flag. But this looks a little bit, let's see how Bitcoin reacts and what news is pushing down the market. I didn't see any major news. Let's see if anyone's talking about it in the Telegram or here. Polygon, Puppet Biden, stay away from politics. I don't see any political talk. I didn't see any news. I'm not sure what dropped Bitcoin. You can go down below. There's also Weex new exchange. They're giving away $2,000 Get $200 in 2 simple steps. Link mobile number and email. $100. Complete KYC. $100. Deposit and transfer. Get up to $820. Trade to get $18,900. Exclusive for new users in North America, Europe, and Australia. Some new exchange that quite big one in the top 20, which is beautiful. And also go down below and you can see Bybit. I'll put the exchange link there. Bybit's my favorite for trading, but some people can't use it. Some different countries have different jurisdictions and blah blah blah. Bybit is a favorite. 60k bonus when you meet their trading requirements. CoinW for international. JamesCryptoGuru.com for the courses and for the Telegram. And I believe, based off what I'm seeing on the technicals, Bitcoin is going to pump. But again, the time, take profits. If you made life-changing money already, everyone, take profits, change your life. If you're rich in crypto and poor in real life, take half of it out right now. Right now, go into your Bybit, sell half of it, take half of it and change your life if you've made life-changing money. It can all go back to zero. It happened in 2017. Everyone was like Bitcoin 20k and then it dropped all the way to 3k and the market got annihilated. It happened in 2021 if you've been watching my videos. We pumped all the way to 69k, then it destroyed all the way to 15k, FTX, all these big crashes. So if you made life-changing money, take some out. Trade with it with tight stop losses. Love you all. Have an amazing day and I'll see you all again tomorrow.